Top 20 richest countries in the world by GDP. How do you measure a country's wealth? It is measured through its GDP or the gross domestic product, which measures the value of economic activity within a country. A nominal GDP is calculated by keeping in view the current prices of goods and services and exchange rate. A more accurate measure of the nominal GDP is called PPP GDP, which also takes into account purchasing power parity or relative costs of the products and services. This list of top 20 richest countries is arranged by their nominal GDP. Per capita GDP is calculated by dividing its GDP to its total population. It shows how rich are the citizens of the country. It is interesting to note that nominal GDP of the top 10 countries adds up to about 66% of the world's economy, and the top 20 countries contribute almost 79%. The remaining 173 countries together contribute only 21% of the total GDP. So here are 20 richest countries in the world according to their nominal GDP and GDP per capita. Number 20, Switzerland. GDP of Switzerland is 715.36 billion and PPP GDP is 548.48 billion. Switzerland is one of the most stable market economies in the world. Switzerland is the 20th largest economy in the world with a nominal GDP of $715.36 billion. The standard of living in Switzerland is very high. Switzerland has a booming tourism industry and a strong financial sector. Switzerland also has a long tradition of industry, especially the clock and watches industry. The country's economy benefits from its stable political system, sound infrastructure, and favorable tax rates. Number 19, Turkey. Turkey, with its $743.71 billion economy, is the 19th largest economy in the world. The economy is projected to join $1 trillion club by 2023. The share of Turkey's middle class is 41% of the population. The economy has been growing at an impressive pace since the 2000s, driven by both industry and services. Its economy witnessed macroeconomic and fiscal stability, while its employment and income levels witnessed an increase. Number 18, Saudi Arabia. Nominal GDP of Saudi Arabia is 779.29 billion. Saudi Arabia is predominantly an oil-based economy. The country possesses around 18% of the world's petroleum reserves. It ranks as the largest exporter of petroleum products, which accounts for 50% of its GDP and 70% of its export earnings. Saudi Arabia is also rich in other natural resources like natural gas, iron ore, gold, and copper. Oil prices affect the country's economy when oil prices are changed. Nowadays, Saudi Arabia is diversifying its economy. Number 17, Netherlands. Nominal GDP of Netherlands is $902.36 billion. The Netherlands is the 6th largest economy in the European Union and 17th largest economy in the world. It ranks 13th on the basis of GDP per capita, which is $53,106. It has abundant natural resources, booming tourism, and industries like food processing, chemicals, electrical machinery, and petroleum refining. The Netherlands has highly productive agricultural sector, which makes it among the top agricultural exporters globally. Despite its small landmass, the Netherlands is a major player in the world's trade. Number 16, Indonesia. Nominal GDP of Indonesia is $1.11 trillion. Indonesia is the largest economy in Southeast Asia and the 16th largest economy in the world. It is fourth populous nation in the world. It has made tremendous progress over the last 2 decades and it is now in the trillion-dollar club. Its GDP per capita is $3,871. Agriculture contributes about 14% to its GDP, while industry and services add approximately 43% each to its GDP. Number 15, Mexico. Mexico is the second largest economy in Latin America. Mexico is the 15th largest economy in the world with a nominal GDP of $1.27 trillion. The share of agriculture has remained under 4% over the last 2 decades. The industry sector is based on automotive and electronics, and it contributes 33% to GDP. The services sector is based on financial services and tourism and contributes 63% to its economy. Number 14, Australia. Australia is the 14th largest economy with a nominal GDP of $1.38 trillion. Australia's economy has grown at a healthy pace for the past 2 decades. It has low unemployment, low public debt and inflation, robust exports, a strong service sector and a stable financial system. Australia is also a land rich in natural resources. It is major exporter of energy and food. Its agriculture sector contributes 4% and industry contributes 26%. The services sector provides employment to 75% of its people and contributes to 70% of its GDP. Australia ranks 11th in terms of GDP per capita with $56,352. Number 13, Spain. Spain is the $1.4 trillion economy. It is the 13th largest economy in the world. Spain replaced the United Kingdom to become the second most visited country in the world with a huge influx of inbound tourists. Agriculture sector has traditionally played a crucial role, but now it only contributes to 3%. Spain remains a major exporter of olive oil, pork and wine. Number 12, South Korea. South Korea is the 12th largest economy with a nominal GDP of $1.63 trillion. Per capita GDP is 31,346, which is 29th in the world. In the past 2 decades, it has made incredible progress to establish itself as a high-tech industrialized nation. Over the past 4 decades, South Korea has demonstrated incredible economic growth and global integration to become an industrialized economy. It is among the top exporters in the world and presents great investment opportunities. Number 11, Russia. Russia is the 11th largest economy in the world with a nominal GDP of $1.64 trillion. In terms of PPP GDP, Russia holds 6th position. Russia is the largest country on earth in terms of land. Russia contains 30% of the world's natural resources with a total value of $75 trillion. Russia is the energy superpower. Its energy exports are 16% of the GDP, which drives most of its growth. It has a large and sophisticated arms industry. The 1990s were a rough period for the Russian economy. But during the next decade, Russia witnessed growth at a healthy pace of 7%. However, this growth was led by the commodity boom. Number 10, Canada. Canada's nominal GDP is currently at $1.73 trillion and is expected to touch $2.13 trillion by 2023. Canada ranks 20th on the basis of PPP GDP. Per capita GDP is 46,261, which is 17th in the world. Canada has contained its level of unemployment and it is likely to shrink further. Services is the major sector, but manufacturing is the cornerstone of the economy, which contributes to 68% of its exports. Canada is emphasizing on manufacturing, which is crucial to its future economic growth. Number 9. Brazil. Nominal GDP of Brazil is $1.85 trillion. Brazil is the largest and most populous nation in Latin America. It is 9th largest economy in the world. The nation that had been riding on the commodity wave suffered multiple setbacks with the end of the commodity supercycle. In addition, internal problems of corruption and political uncertainty make it hard to attract investment. Number 8. Italy. With a nominal GDP of about $2 trillion, Italy is the world's 8th largest economy. Its economy is expected to expand to $2.26 trillion by 2023. Its per capita GDP is 34,260. Italy has suffered a deep political and economic chaos. Its unemployment rate continues to be in double digits. Italy's public debt is around 132% of the GDP. On the positive side, exports and business investments are driving economic recovery. Number 7. France. France is the most visited country in the world. It is the 3rd largest economy of Europe and the 6th largest economy in the world, with a nominal GDP of $2.71 trillion. France offers a high standard of living to its people with per capita GDP $42,877. In recent years, the economic growth has slowed down, resulting in unemployment that has placed immense pressure on the government. Unemployment rate is around 10%. Tourism remains the most important sector for its economy. France is also a leading agricultural producer, accounting for about 1/3 of all agricultural land within the European Union. France is the 6th largest agricultural producer of the world. The manufacturing sector of France is primarily dominated by the chemical industry, automotive, and armament industries. Number 6. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, with a $2.83 trillion GDP, is the 6th largest economy in the world. In terms of PPP GDP, it slips to 9th spot. It ranks 23rd in terms of GDP per capita, which is 42,558. The economy of the UK is primarily driven by the services sector, which contributes more than 75% of its GDP. Manufacturing is the 2nd largest sector of UK. And the 3rd sector is agriculture, which meets 60% food needs of UK. Number 5. India. India has become the 5th largest economy in 2019, overtaking the United States and France. India ranks 3rd in terms of PPP GDP. When it comes to calculating GDP per capita, India's high population drags its nominal GDP per capita down to $2,170. India was agrarian economy. However, over the years, manufacturing and services sector has emerged strongly. Today, Indian services sector is strongest in the world, which contributes to 60% of its economy. The services sector also provides 28% employment. Manufacturing remains as one of India's crucial sector, and government is giving it a push through Make in India initiative. India's agriculture still contributes 17% to the economy, which is still way higher than the Western nations. The economy's strength lies in limited dependence on exports, high saving rates, favorable demographics, and a rising middle class. Number 4. Germany. Nominal GDP of Germany is $3.86 trillion. Germany is not only Europe's largest economy, but also the fourth strongest economy of the world. Germany's GDP per capita is $46,560, which is 18th in the world. Germany has been dependent upon capital goods exports, which suffered a setback post-2008 financial crisis. Germany has started implementing Industry 4 strategic initiative to transform its traditional manufacturing and industrial processes. This should bolster its manufacturing strength in the current global scenario and make it leading provider of advanced manufacturing solutions. Number 3. Japan. Nominal GDP of Japan is $5.15 trillion. Japan is the third largest economy in the world, crossing the $5 trillion mark in 2019. Japan was hit hard by the financial crisis of 2008, and it is going through challenging times since then. The global crisis triggered a recession followed by weak domestic demand and huge public debt. When the economy started to recover, it suffered a massive earthquake that hit the country socially and economically. Japan slips the fourth spot in terms of PPP GDP. Its per capita GDP is $40,580, which is 24th worldwide. Number 2. China. Nominal GDP of China is $14.14 trillion. China is the second largest economy on the basis of nominal GDP, but it is the first economy based on PPP GDP. China has made exponential growth over the past few decades. China has evolved as manufacturing and exporting hub of the world. It is known as factory of the world. However, the role of services sector has gradually increased over the years. Back in 1980s, China was the seventh largest economy. And since then, its economy is growing at 10% annually on average. China's huge population brings down its GDP per capita to $10,100. Number 1. The United States. Nominal GDP of the United States is $21.44 trillion. The US, the world's largest economy since 1871. The US economy constitutes almost a quarter of the global economy, backed by advanced infrastructure, technology, and an abundance of natural resources. The US economy is projected to grow to $24.88 trillion by 2023, followed closely by China at $19.41 trillion. But when the US economy is assessed in terms of purchasing power parity, it loses its top position to China. The gap between the size of the two economies in terms of nominal GDP is also expected to lessen by 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.